Affiliate marketing is considered a simple and effective way to generate income online, but not everybody is successful with affiliate marketing. There are certain qualities that the affiliate marketer must possess to be successful in this field of work. Knowing how to be a good affiliate marketer and knowing the type of content that should be created is not the only thing that is needed when going to work in this field of work. Knowing the qualities to possess and how to put it into practice will be what makes the difference. Hi, I'm Ramon Tarruella, and in this video I'm going to teach you the qualities that a good affiliate marketer should have. What makes a good affiliate marketer? Possessing the qualities you must have makes the difference in being lucky to sell and being good in selling products online. Now I'm going to explain to you the qualities that every affiliate marketer must possess. Number 1, organization. Every affiliate marketer must be organized, as this is one of the vital qualities you need to be able to continue working in this field. Being organized as an affiliate marketer means having a vision and a goal in mind of what you want to achieve and having an understanding of what you want to achieve as an affiliate marketer. In the same way, it must be clear what the result that is going to be obtained from the work that is done, making use of the strategies that need to be used. One of the best ways to get organized within affiliate marketing is by creating a good plan. This plan will tell you how far you can go. When you have your ideas in mind, you will be able to choose which niche and which specific categories you are going to specialize in. Another aspect where you should be organized as an affiliate marketer refers to the finance of your business, as well as continuous tracking of the products you are marketing at the same time. This information to keep in mind, which you must have all the time, since it will make you able to make the changes required to achieve success. Number 2, self-motivation. Being self-motivated and staying motivated is an essential feature of every affiliate marketer. You must understand that being an affiliate marketer is having a job that you must do from home. Staying motivated and staying on track with the plan you created and staying consistent with what you must do on a day-by-day basis is vital to success. Most affiliate marketers are self-employed. The fact that you are self-employed, nobody will keep a continuous check on you. You are doing your job if you are being constant and if you are achieving the objectives. Therefore, you must be the one that validates all these aspects and the one that checks if you are following the correct plan and if you are achieving what you set out to do from the beginning. Being self-motivated will keep you continuously successful every day. Establishing goals that you must do every day and in a certain time and ensuring that you're really achieving them is essential. Number 3, consistency. It does not matter what type of plan you have created as an affiliate marketer to carry out your business and the vision you took to create your affiliate marketing campaigns. It will take consistency for you to be effective. In case you have a specific timeline to carry out certain tasks at certain times each day, you must make sure that you stick to them and that you always carry them out. You must consistently comply with them. Your readers will be aware of what you post and they will know the calendar that you use to post each of these things. If you don't know them, you will be losing your readers who represent the loss of your clients in the future. In other words, it is a responsibility that belongs only to you, the fact that readers want to continue following you. Keeping your sites updated on a regular basis is another responsibility that you should follow once you learn what are the tactics and strategies that you must follow constantly. Make sure you comply with them regularly. Number 4, social. When I say that being social is a quality that you require as an affiliate marketer, I mean that you must keep in mind that you must be social remotely as an affiliate marketer. To be social, you must make use of social media and know the importance of it. Knowing how to maintain contact and interaction through social media is essential for every good affiliate marketer. You must know how to connect with your audience, how to create contacts, and how to make them viable. The fact that you know how to talk and listen to your readers represents a great quality that will make you successful as an affiliate marketer. Being sociable on the internet means that your readers take confidence and continue listening to you. Number 5, be focused. One of the most important qualities of any affiliate marketer is to be focused and keep your vision always in mind. It is very easy to get distracted on the internet with all the amount of things and opportunities that may be presented to you. It is essential that you never lose focus on what you are doing to achieve success. As long as you stay motivated and stay with your goals in mind and stay on track, you will see the results that you always have been waiting for. Being focused on a goal is essential when you are trying to achieve anything, and the same thing applies to affiliate marketing. If you stay focused on all the tasks you must do and have in mind everything you must accomplish and all the tasks you must do one by one, you will be successful as an affiliate marketer. After viewing this video, you should understand the qualities that a good affiliate marketer should have. In case you still do not have it clear, I would like you to comment in the comment section. What doubts do you still have about it? Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way you will receive alerts in your YouTube account and your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email a free internet marketing PDF report every Monday. These reports are concise and easy to read. They will help you quickly understand the information you need to promote your business online. So be sure to subscribe to my mailing list as well. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.